can do it.
What are you trying to do?
He's tonguing the cockpit. You gotta put underneath there. You can't get any action. Look what he's doing.
I got this, man. I can do it. Oh man, I don't think I'm gonna get a case of beer. Wait. Oh, could it be that? Okay.
Put a time limit on this thing.
You never put a time when it had to be made.
I said I should have.
Okay, so.
I can see the spit just rolling off the card.
I ain't using that card.
Damn it.
I'm gonna keep my hand away from the suicidal king.
Wait. Don't tell me. Joker.
No.
Damn it. I was right! I get a case of beer! You cheated! You cheated! You pulled it out of there, man!
It was worth it.
Forever!
That is worth it.
I just totally told you that.
That was
Shut up!
totally worth it.